What if I told you that the secret to rich, healthy soil might already be sitting in your recycling bin? Yes, gardeners everywhere are burying cardboard in their soil, and the reason is genius. Cardboard isn't just trash. It's a natural, biodegradable material packed with carbon. When buried, it slowly breaks down, feeding soil microbes and improving the structure of your garden soil. It also smothers weeds, locks in moisture, and creates the perfect environment for earthworms, nature's little soil builders. Here's how to use it. Remove any tape or stickers, then shred or lay flat pieces of cardboard at the base of your garden bed, add compost or topsoil over it, water well, and let nature take over. In just a few weeks, you'll notice softer, richer soil and healthier plants. So before you throw that box away, bury it instead. Your garden will thank you